Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to Dominican Chefgro. Dnes budu vařit tvarohoved, jahodoved, kenedlíky. And if you want another kind of kenedlíky, here I will give you the link to get another kind of it. And the ingredients we're gonna use to make this kind of kenedlíky is semi-coarse flours, strawberries, just 1 egg, butter, salt. It's a kind of powdered sugar, curd, and ground curd. Here we just have to start mix all ingredients we have, and not all of them. So we're gonna take some of the ingredients and then we put it here and then we mix it. For example, like here on the butter, I will just take the half of the butter because the another half I will use it for something else. And after you have all the ingredients, you just have to start mix them. And when you finish mix them, you will get something like this, like almost like to make a bread, but it's not to make a bread. And you just have to keep it, like give a rest of 10-15 minutes. And meanwhile, I will use this time to clean my strawberries to have them ready. Strawberries from here are so good, so sweet. And here in this part, I will add a little bit coarse flour because I don't want this get stick on it. And I will put it here to give it a so nice massage. I'm sorry, you make it. You just have to knead it, and that's it. Don't worry if it's gonna take a long time for you, so you just have to do right, and that's it. Then you're gonna have so nice kenedlíky. And here I'm doing a kind of roll, like, you know, to have it a little bit longer, to have small pieces. Then I will cut it by small pieces to start making kenedlíky. And here on this part, you just have to press them to make them thin, and add the strawberries and put sugar, powdered sugar. But don't worry, you can add. You don't have to be just with the strawberries. If you have plums, if you have cherries, you can use even mango. But before you add the fruit inside, whatever fruit you use, make sure that fruit is so dry. You have to be dry because it will be so big disaster when it start boiling. And do this with all of them, and that's it. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you something. The water, you have to be boiling before add them. And after those dumplings get ready, so you just have to make your own like presentation. And here I will add the curd, like the ground curd, powdered sugar, and the rest of butter. I just took the half of it. You have to melt the butter, and put it on top, and make the decoration you want. Like I will put 3 strawberries, like the half of 3 of them, to have them nice. And people, just look just look so good. Look so good, and it's so delicious. And look when I open it inside. Hella. Yeshish Maria, Miluyo kenedlíky. So guys, thanks everyone to watch the video. Don't forget like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. See you on the next video.